Hello all my friends. Wanted to make this video something I've been thinking about doing for a while, and honestly I've been a little nervous about it. I wanted to just tell you a little bit about what's went on with my life. A lot of people know me and know my story, but there's a lot of you that don't know the story, and so I thought I'd share it with you. Today I'm talking about the struggles that I've went through most of my life of thinking that I wasn't enough, that because of potentially having dyslexia and not reading as well and spelling as well, that I was dumber than everybody else, and I didn't go to college, so I felt insecure about that too, and that all led to me being overweight and really just feeling like I didn't deserve to be successful at whatever I did. And the good thing about it is that it also fueled me to show people that just because I had these obstacles, that I could still be something. And so I pushed hard and tried to become successful at whatever I did and try and overcome the pain that I had. The funny thing is the more successful that I got, I didn't feel any happier. And the reason I didn't feel any happier was because I was focused on the wrong things. I was focused on showing people that they were wrong and proving people that they were wrong, instead of proving the one person that I needed to prove wrong was me. That I was the one telling myself that I wasn't good enough. Nobody else was telling me this. This was all in my head. And so I did a big stint about 3 or 4 years ago where I had some uncontrollable anxiety to the point where I actually passed out on a plane. And I had really bad back problems during this time because I was so tense. And it was all from just holding stuff in for so long. And some of the things I've done to get out of that is going to a Tony Robbins event. I know some of you that know me know that I'm a huge fan because of what it's done for me and how it's changed my life. And really, some people look at Tony Robbins and say he's a motivational guy, but I don't believe he's a motivational guy. I believe what he does is he has been doing this for 45 years and talked to thousands upon thousands of people, including really successful people, and took all that data and turned it into tools that we can learn to get out of our stress, our depression, our limiting beliefs. And back in 2015, I went to my first event and I weighed 240 pounds. And after that event, after getting the tools that I needed to overcome the limiting belief that I said I couldn't go work out, I didn't have time, that I would never be able to lose the weight. At that event, I got the tools that I needed, and I was able to go home, get a personal trainer, and have the motivation to be able to lose the 70 pounds. And then every couple of years I would go back to a Tony event and learn something new. Second time was that I had never told myself that I was proud of myself. And that was a huge step in overcoming a lot of the negative beliefs that I had in my head. And so I just kept going back every couple of years because I was in a different place in my life after going to the first event and the second event and then the third event. And so every time I go back, I learn something new. And so because of all this amazing transformation that I've been able to have because of the tools that Tony's given me, and of course because of the massive action that I've taken because of those, I don't want to give Tony all the credit. It was a lot of me too. And because of that, today I can say that I'm so much happier than I was before. I focus on connections and love and just connecting with my family and friends and enjoying that instead of all the other rubbish that we connect on. And so what I'd like to do is to invite you to the Unleash the Power event on October 9th through the 12th in Anaheim, California, because I'm bringing a large group of people. I've gotten a ticket price of half price of $695 to go. And if you've been feeling stuck or feel like you're not worth it, then this is the event that you need to go to. So don't wait. Don't wait till next year. Don't wait to change. Don't wait to be the person that you deserve to be. Go be that person today and come join me there. I do not take any fees for this. I just do it because it's made so many changes in my life. So I hope that you'll take me up on this offer. If you do, the information is below and you can go ahead and sign up to come with us. And I look forward to seeing you there.